Welcome back
to Daytime Live. We're a team. Welcome back. Yes.
I was giving you some
rest, right?
Yes.
Because I'm a little. Hello. Now we are joined by powerhouse singer Ikaya, right? Ikaya, that's right.
The lovely.
We heard her singing today. She's absolutely amazing.
Yes.
Now we've recently lost, on a side note, the Queen of Soul. How much of an inspiration was she for you?
She's such an inspiration to me because, her music has touched so many and inspired so many. So, Aretha Franklin, I grew up on that.
Yeah, that's right.
So, I have to big up to the Queen of Soul.
Yeah,
Okay.
man. And
Be a soul music brought us up in a
That's
side.
right.
That's
Yes.
right.
yes. And I mean,
big up to the Queen.
I mean, of course, we've been missing your music for a little. What you been up to?
I'm always working. I'm always in the studio working, So I have new singles out called Leave You Alone featuring Jesse Royal. A single called Ain't Got You on the Tritons Rhythm also. I'm about to shoot the video for that. The video for Leave You Alone is also out right now. Okay. So I'm always working.
Speaking of Leave You Alone, is that the video, is that the song you're going to perform for us today?
I'm going to give you a piece of both.
Oh, so you're going to do like a
Leave You Alone, and we go straight into
right.
So we're getting a nice medley.
We're getting a medley.
All right,
I like it.
Listen, floor is yours.
It's all mine.
Yeah, man. Take it away.
All right.
I know I should leave you alone, but you keep on picking up the phone. You know damn well this might hurt in the end. Sorry, made a fool of you and also of me. Forgive me, must admit I already knew you had your lady. Was curious, wonder what one night of your love would feel like. But I already knew you would have lost the game. Take all the blame, leave you alone. You keep on picking up the phone. You know damn well this might hurt in the end. I know I should leave you alone. You keep on picking up the phone. You know damn well hurt in the end. Leave you alone. This song that I'm about to sing right now is called Ain't Got You. Big up to all the lovers in the house right now. 'Cause everything is nothing if I ain't got you. See, everything is nothing, yeah. Ain't got you. See, if I ain't got you, ain't got you, I ain't got nothing. If I ain't got you, ain't got you, I ain't got nothing. There'll be tears in your heaven, then it'll rains in my world, because a beautiful flower needs the sun to grow. See, you're my night and I'm your star, they glow. See, how can you ever live on without an angel? See, bring back the lights at the end of the tunnel. See, if I ain't got you, ain't got you, I ain't got nothing. If I ain't got you, ain't got you, I ain't got nothing. There'll be tears in your heaven, then it'll rains in my world. I can't tell you why. It's like you shot cocaine in my brain. You're the morphine to my pain. You got me weak like 7 days. Got me falling like rain, baby. Got me wishing you were here, believe me. Living without you it's not easy, yeah. 'Cause if you ever leave me, it's like you pull the world from underneath me, yeah, baby. See, I don't want no one but you. If I ain't got you, everything is nothing. Ain't got you. See, everything is nothing, nothing, nothing. If I ain't got you. See, everything is nothing, nothing. Oh Lord, if I ain't got you. Yeah, I forgot to sing it back to me now. You already know? See, everything is nothing, nothing, baby, if I ain't got you. Sing it to me.
Is anything or everything? Oh, everything is nothing. If I ain't.
Yes, hallelujah.
It's not.
I don't believe you, make me believe you. Everything is nothing, oh Lord. If I ain't got you, baby. See, everything is nothing, nothing, nothing. If I ain't got
you. Listen, I need some singing lessons because this is not gonna work out. I can't have the big singers them coming on. It will sound awful. All right, thank you.